What's going on, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. Today I made 2 trades. Today you have to be very careful on your trading and your setups and stuff, just because the FOMC announcement at 1 o'clock, and honestly speaking, you don't really want to be trading when it's like this. So most of the morning was pretty much in a range, and not a good range. It's actually a small range, but there were some decent trades. Again, you have to be very picky and precise, but let's go over it. So when I came in, the daily candle looked a little bit bearish, so it basically told me we might be having an uptrend. So when I switched to the 2000 tick chart, this is what I saw. I had my trend channel working up, and basically you can see it's a clear uptrend channel, and the first opportunity that I saw take a trade was this triple test right here. As you can see, tested once, twice, 3 times. I actually didn't see this until afterwards. I'm really bad with the triple tests setups, but that's something I have to work on. But yeah, I saw this afterwards. Signal bar is pretty decent. It's off of this trend line as well, so pretty good trade in my opinion, and you get a scalp out of that. So then the price kind of, there's really not a break. I mean, you got a break here, but you're waiting for a new high, but you do get a secondary short here, and if you play in the short-term trend channel, it actually works really nice. A break and you'll expect it. The signal bar is pretty good. Gets a nice little scalp out of that as well. Decent bar, 10 ticks, so not that bad. I mean, you're not looking for new highs, but with this setup, the short-term trend setup, it's pretty good. And then the price kind of starts chopping sideways for a little bit, really gets in this range. So I didn't have this range just yet. I had something like this. So you have a little small range here, and then price breaks out, and then finally gets a new high, and then kind of works sideways for the rest of the morning. So second trade here, or second opportunity was here, failed secondary long, again break, a new high played out. So you see how it basically instantly reversed to the downside. Didn't even tick high or nothing, just straight up reversal. So pretty good trade. Again, just nice little scalp, and that's about it. And then I don't really see anything else that I like here in this range. You do get a failed breakout here as well with the secondary short. The signal bar is not that great, but it's only 6 ticks, so pretty small risk. Pretty small risk for it to take. And then my first entry, or my first trade actually, was here. It's a failed secondary long. Again, the price failed to make new highs and just kind of went back down. So I was expecting the price come back to this range right here, to low range. And then you see it just keeps working down. I did have to sweat it out for a little bit, but it ended up working out. And you can see how it ticked high and reversed versus how this one just went straight down. And then finally I had my range kind of like this. So when my low, actually no, I had it like this. And when this happened, I just changed it to this. Pretty straightforward, and again, nothing that I saw here that's worth taking. Triple test here, but the signal bar is not that great. But I mean, you are at the midline, so maybe you take that. And then you get FOMC at 1 o'clock, and this is what we saw. And I called this yesterday that there's really not any good news out of this, out of the announcement. So kind of figured the market was probably gonna go down, and you get this nice little 24 tick candle. I didn't trade anything here. I guess the first opportunity probably be around maybe here, but again, you're still in the news, so it's still pretty risky. But if you have this trend channel like this, you have a break and a new low, you just kind of have to fade the I guess the lows. I mean, you can take that, but I like the trend channel like this, and you get a break, but you never get a new low. So, and again, all of this is basically within like 5 minutes. There's a lot of volatility, a lot of movement. Very risky. But I did take this trade right here. They basically lower high, and this is only one contract, so it's only 50 bucks. But again, we were still in the news, so I don't want to risk it too much. But you can see how there's a trend channel working down, bounced off the trend channel, and it actually broke the up channel, and you had a lower high on that signal bar and enough room to the recent lows, so that's why I took it. Again, one contract, four ticks, not a big deal. And then afterwards you get a second entry short and a lower high. How'd your second entry short? Second entry short's pretty good trade in my opinion. Nice signal bar. The lower high actually is good too, but it went really fast. So you have to be really quick on the entry because it went super fast. So yeah, and that's about it. That's all I saw. And kind of the price kind of took it all back, all the way back to the 3900s. Actually took everything back, and it's now working downwards, well, mostly sideways to be honest, not downwards. But again, I'm not sure what the price is gonna do tomorrow, but it is doji looking bar, so again, that doesn't really tell you much. So kind of indecision in the market, but we could go lower with the announcement and everything. So I still think that the market's gonna go lower, probably 37-ish or 3600-ish, 3700, that area. And that's it for me. See you guys on the next one. Bye.